Always have something coming in the mail. Always have something coming in the mail. So let's see what this is. I really don't remember what it is. Let's see, but it's something that I saw online that I like. That I like. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, I remember. Yes. Yes, honey. Yes. Hey guys, this is it. Dress. I like the color. From this company here, you guys can see it. I got it from them. So these are dresses. I remember ordering these dresses. They had like 40% off. I don't know what this is. This is coming from China. Oh, I really need to stop. I have this one. These dresses are cute. I figured I ordered them to go on some nice vacation that I haven't planned yet. Of course, they all look nice online. Ooh, look at the package. You see the colors. And I bought both these dresses in the same, it's sort of the same dress, but in different colors. There's, how much were they? They were pretty cheap. They were $40 with 40% off. See, two different colors. But it's the same exact dress. And I thought they were so, ooh, what's going on here? Okay, I gotta try this on. Okay, if you guys could see it. You see it? Cute. So this is the yellowish looking one. It's the same exact dress. So I couldn't pick between the colors. Which color do you guys like? Let me know. What colors you guys like the most? Ooh, see? Has a little tooth thingy here. So okay, I'm gonna try them on. Come back and let y'all see how it looks. Yes, new stuff. No, I got more stuff. Oh, this black thing from China. Oh, Jesus. I need a scissor. They got this really, no idea. Probably something I ordered 6 months ago. You know how it is. Let me tell you, I stopped buying stuff from China. What's a little dress? Okay. Okay. This is cute. Oh, I'm going to try it on and let you guys know. Let you guys see how it looks. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very cute. I like